Hey there, everyone. Welcome to GMB Gorilla. My name is Rody, and this is Ask the Gorilla. So today, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google review link. Now, this is super useful if you want to lead traffic from other parts of the internet directly to your Google My Business listing so that your customers can leave a review. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So now there's two ways I'm going to show you how to do this today. And the first way is going to be to make sure you're logged into your business.google.com page, essentially your Google Business Profile Dashboard, formerly known as Google My Business. Now we're moving into the future with this video. So go ahead and click down here under where it says Get More Reviews, Share Review Form. Now this is super easy. All you have to do is click here and it will automatically copy the link. You can go ahead and punch it in anywhere you want and it will lead you directly to your Google Maps section, right? And you can go ahead and post a review. I would post 5 stars, but of course we don't need to do that right now. So go ahead and click Cancel. Or we can just X out, right? So now we're back here. Let's close this out. Another way to do this, okay, the second way is going to be to search your business on Google. So I'm going to search GMB Gorilla. You'll see that our listing pops up right here on the right-hand side. Now, you can click on Write a Review. And when you click on Write a Review, it'll show you this box, essentially the same box that we saw on the Maps listing. And if you want, you can go ahead and you can copy this link up here. And just to check that it works, go ahead and click it. And go ahead and paste it here. And just like that, you'll see that your review link is working, right? Now, that's a really long link. Another way to do this is to go ahead and punch it into your URL builder. We've used this in a lot of the other videos. If you need help with this, check out our videos on Google Analytics. Go down here to the bottom and click on where it says Shorten Link, right? It'll give you a bit.ly link right here that all you have to do is copy. And again, you can just go ahead and paste that in your address bar just to see if it works. And just like that, we have our direct link to leave a review on our Google My Business listing. All right. Now that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.